Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Japneet and today's video is all about the prediction for the upcoming tests, and this video is only and only related to speaking session. Although there were a lot of cue cards, yet I am choosing top 5 cue cards which are likely to be asked in the upcoming days, especially in April month. So here we go. The first one that I'm thinking is going to be asked is an important rule in the school. So yes, in the earlier video I explained you can talk about a uniform rule, you can mention summers, winters and Saturday uniform. Not only the uniform, you can talk about shoes, socks, belts, ties and blazers. Apart from these, you can also mention about caps and gloves. So yes, it is easy to elaborate this. Apart from this cue card, the second one is a subject of science, any subject of science. It is predicted that this cue card will be there in the April month, so be prepared with that. You can talk about biology, it's everyone's favorite because you can mention that there were no numericals in this subject, and after 5th class your science subject was divided into 3 parts: chemistry, physics and biology. You can also talk about the benefits of choosing biology. First of all, you can understand the systems of microorganisms. Then you can also talk about how the life cycle of plants and flowers go. Furthermore, you can mention about animals and human beings. So yes, this cue card can be elaborated easily and the chances are really high for you getting this cue card. The third one is something you received for free. So you can talk about anything you got on birthday. I think it can be explained easily. Now you have to choose the product. Either it can be, I guess, a pair of shoes, or you can also mention about a mobile phone. I guess we can explain mobile phone quite easily. And fourth cue card which is going to be asked, which is actually estimated to be asked, is an energetic person. You can talk about one of your grandparents or your grandfather. Actually, the idea for 3 to 4 cue cards is same. Energetic person, a job one of your grandparents did, a person who contributes to the society. You can talk about a job which that old person used to do previously, and now how he is helping people, not only by teaching them moral values and school subjects, as well as helping them out by preparing them for the army tests in both physical and written tests. Going by the odds, the last cue card will be a place you would like to recommend to others. You can talk about your hometown, or you can talk about your maternal grandfather's house. Nanke, there was a pond, there was also a man-made lake which attracts a lot of tourists. Besides this, there was a big restaurant which provides fresh food, and it is also famous for a university क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक university भी बनी है. So you have to add a lot of facilities if you want to make a place interesting, and this is why you want to recommend this. The interesting part is, even though that is a village, yet it has all the facilities which people must not overlook. So yeah, these are the cue cards which are expected to be asked in April month. Be prepared guys. If you need any help, I'm here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.